free health screenings, backpack giveaways, and so much more. We're going to tell you all about it next. It's back to school time, and that can be really a nerve-wracking time for kids with special needs especially, but there's an event this weekend aimed at really making it easier on them and their families. The founder of the Special Needs Network, Ariba Martin, is here to tell us more about the 17th annual Back to School Community Health and Resource Fair. I can't believe it's been 17 years.
I know, Amy. I can't believe it either, but yes, it's been 17 years. And then those 2 years during COVID when we weren't able to do our normal events. So we're super excited this year because we are back in person with so many of the activities and resources that we weren't able to provide when we were just doing the grab and goes during the 2 years of COVID. So super excited. We had a new partner, Cal State Dominguez Hills. We're going to be on their beautiful campus. Lots of support from the community because, as you said, this can be a really difficult time for kids, particularly kids with special needs as they head back to school.
And you all provide so much for these families. Tell me what they'll be getting this year.
Yeah, this year on a campus, again, Cal State Dominguez Hill from 11 to 2, we'll be out dental screenings, medical screenings, about 40 or 50 educational, informational resource vendors out providing all kinds of information, everything from therapies that are available for special needs kids, schools that are available, community resources and supports that families can access as well. And we're super excited about a new partner. McDonald's is going to be out. A co-op of McDonald's in South Los Angeles have come together to provide not only food for the entire event, but also they're hosting a petting zoo.
Oh, nice.
So the kids will have an opportunity to, meet some animals and actually have an experience with some live animals, which is really a therapeutic experience for a lot of kids with special needs. And of course, we'll be giving away backpacks and groceries, and as well as for those families who may receive public assistance. True Connect will be out providing free cell phones and tablets for families as well. So we try to go into the community and bring together as many resources as we can. Folks like LA Care, Amazon Supervisor Holly Mitchell, and others help us bring together all these resources and make them available free for the community, which is so important.
Everyone loves one-stop shopping. You go and you get all these different ideas and resources. But tell me, who's really invited to this?
This is for everyone. Families, of course, who have kids with special needs, teens and adults who also may have developmental disabilities. But this is a community event. We are, for the first time, on the campus of Cal State Dominguez Hill. So we're hoping to get families out in the Carson, Compton, South Los Angeles communities. But this is free. If you're in LA County, if you're in Riverside County, you're in San Diego County, and you're watching this, and you want to come out to a safe space where you can bring your family fun, free entertainment throughout the entire event. Elaine Gibbs and band will be providing live entertainment. Lots of special guest artists will be performing on the stage as well. So it's just an opportunity, since we are outside, to bring families together in a safe environment and provide them with not only physical resources, but lots of love.
And this seems to get bigger and better every year. Tell me, why are you so passionate about this event?
Oh, Amy, you and KCAL and CBS have been a part of this journey with me from the beginning. Special Needs Network is so special to me because I have my own son who's on the spectrum, and I am so blessed to be able to work with an incredible staff, hardworking staff that have put this event together, incredible sponsors, board members, and just community partners that believe that special needs kids, particularly those that live in underserved communities, deserve every opportunity to live their best lives, to get the best that this community has to offer. And that's what Special Needs Network has been doing for the last 17 years, making sure that no child is left behind, that if you are a child living in a low-income or under-resourced community, that you have access to the same educational supports, medical supports, and services that kids in other parts of our community have. And that's what we do. We put boots on the ground in our community, and we do it because we have incredible partners like KCAL and CBS.
And it's so important, I think, for parents with young children that are just getting into this arena to attend this, so that they learn from the very early stages of what's out there for them.
I'm so glad you brought that up, Amy, because so many families, when they are getting the diagnosis, they feel alone, they feel isolated, they don't know where to go, they don't know where to turn for resources. And we definitely want those families to come out tomorrow, because there will be therapists and clinicians and others who provide services to kids with young provide services to families with young kids to help them make sure they're getting a proper diagnosis and that they're getting connected to those critical services. So if you think your child may have a developmental disability or is not meeting those milestones, responding to their name, playing appropriately with toys, using language appropriately, please come out, because we have so much information, resources, and help for you.
Ariva, thank you for all that you do.
Thank you,
And thank
Amy.
you for coming out today. Now, the Back to School Health and Resource Fair again is tomorrow, August 20th at Cal State University Dominguez Hills in Carson. It's open from 11 until 2 in the afternoon. And again, it is all free. You can find even more information about the event and the Special Needs Network by going to our website, kcal9.com, and clicking Seen on TV.